Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to the weekly project status meeting. It is June 22nd. Happy solstice, everyone. We open this meeting with Friends of Mozilla. A massive thank you to all of the people across Mozilla, including many hardworking community managers, that made it possible for contributors from many different functional and geographic teams to come together at the virtual all hands. It was an educational and productive week that will help us to work with our wider communities over the coming months and reminds us all that while we may not be together, we are not apart. Thank you for nominating Friends of Mozilla this week. Next, we move on to our calendar of upcoming events. Wednesday, June 24th, we have another installment of the Homebrew Website Club. The Homebrew Website Club is a growing worldwide network of online weekly meetups for everyone who wants to take back their web experience from social media silos and own their online identities, content, and interactions. Links for the Homebrew Website Club can be found in the agenda. We are having Homebrew Website Club in Nottingham, Karlsruhe, London, and the US West Coast. On Friday, June 26th, we have the Indiewebcamp West pre-party. There is a link to more information. It is happening 8 to 10 p.m. Pacific time from the comfort of your own dining table, coffee table, or tea room. The night before Indiewebcamp West, we're continuing our tradition of social eats and drinks, except we'll be eating together apart. So set a place setting in front of your webcam and join us for some distant socializing. In respect to other time zones, you need not bring dinner. Other meals, snacks, etc. are welcome. The RSVP is linked in the agenda and it is open to all. Saturday, June 27th, it is Indiewebcamp West. Saturday and Sunday, Indiewebcamp West is the 2 days of meeting online as it fits your schedule to share ideas, create and improve personal websites, and build upon each other's creations. Whether you're a creator, writer, blogger, coder, designer, or just someone who wants to improve their presence on the web, there's something for you here. All skills and experience levels welcome. Normally, we'd be doing a summit this weekend, but in these times, we've gone 100% distributed, and we're running this more like our usual online indie webcamps. Again, the RSVP link is in the agenda. This is happening Saturday and Sunday, June 27th and 28th, 9 a.m. throughout the day Pacific time from the comfort of your own desk. That is it for our update, our event calendar. As usual, we have upcoming events beyond a week out listed in the wiki agenda. You can skim those on your own time. And with that, we move to the speakers section of our agenda. And first up, we have Jared Wine of Team Firefox coming to us with the weekly Firefox update. Jared?
Thanks, Asa. Firefox 77.0.1 is our latest stable release. Firefox 78 is in the beta channel and ships to our stable release audience on June 30th. Firefox 79 is in the nightly channel, and over the last 2 weeks, it has seen over 700 bugs resolved as fixed, including these notable changes. Promise.any support has been enabled in Gecko. The OS compositor has been enabled for Mac OS when WebRender is enabled. WebRender has been enabled for Mac OS on nightly. Firefox no longer supports Mac OS versions below 10.12. Nightly has enabled the new WebRTC sharing indicator and notification silencing. DevTools got several accessibility improvements. The address bar now respects the OS prefers reduced motion setting and won't inflate when that setting is on. Gecko now prevents abuse of the history push state by only enabling the back and forward buttons for the addresses that were user initiated. And lastly, Firefox's Preferences now has a section for experimental features behind the About Config Pref browser.preferences.experimental. That's today's Firefox update, and I'll send it back to you, Asa.
Thank you, Jared. Next up, we have Kelly Davis, Managing Research Engineer with the Emerging Technologies update. Kelly?
Hi, I am Mozilla's text-to-speech engine. I will be joined today by Kelly, who will just sit there like a bump on a log while I do all the real work. 5 in a row. Stack Overflow just released the results of their annual developer survey, gathering insights from nearly 65,000 developers in 186 countries. And for the fifth year in a row, Rust was the most loved programming language. 86% of developers using Rust said they plan to continue to do so, nearly 20 percentage points ahead of the second-place finisher TypeScript. More details are in the full published report, including developer work habits, how developers deal with getting stuck on a tough problem, and general insights from around the world. New insights into web compatibility. Our developer portal, which helps developers stay up to date on all Mozilla's resources and activities, just launched a whole new section detailing Mozilla's contributions toward web compatibility and why it matters. You'll find articles about how Firefox support web compatibility, how NDN's browser compatibility data helps developers build compatible sites, the benefits of standards, and more. Publications. Last week, Yulia Startsev finished her 3-part Twitch stream compiler, providing a guided tour of how the JavaScript specification is implemented in SpiderMonkey, the JavaScript engine in Firefox. You'll find an overview in her Hacks blog post along with links to the recorded stream. More episodes are planned, so stay tuned. And the prestigious journal Machine Vision and Applications published a paper co-authored by Irene Galge and our Speech/ML team, entitled IME Iterative Model Evolution for Learning from Weakly Labeled Images and Videos. The paper describes new and improved ways to recognize elements of the real world, in this case images and videos, even when you only have limited training data upon which to operate.
Thank you for that update. Thank you, Kelly, for that update, and to our Mozilla Voice speaker there. I'm going to do a quick refresh of the agenda to see if any other speakers have come onto the list since we first started the program. It does not look like it. So with that, we're all wrapped up with an exceedingly short meeting today. Happy Monday. Have a great rest of the week. We'll see you the same time, same place next week. And until then, keep on rocking the free web.